Welcome back to my scrappy space. We are going to be working with the Mini Kit Monday Gang. Last year in 2020, I did every single month and I loved it. But I did kind of burn out, but it was more of me at the end of 2020. And January is a very, very busy month for my line of work, and so I just didn't stay with it. But I am back at it because that is one thing, is I got all those layouts done and I played with a lot of kits. So for the month of October, Kathy's doing the challenge, but the challenge that she is doing, it's bolder and brighter colors, but I am dying to play with this paper pad that I just received for my birthday, and I am going to be using the October 21st, or not October 21st, excuse me, October 2021 page maps, and I've chosen to do this layout here. Where was the other one? Was it this one? Yes, this one here. And, oh, this one right here. So these are the three that I'm going to do, and I'm going to pull papers. Now, I don't know if you have seen this. This is Falloween, and this is a die cuts with a view, and it's really cute. It has some Halloween, but it also has some fall mixed in it. And I'm so sorry they were in a motorcycle. And I love it. Look at this plaid, you guys. So, of course, I'm going to do one of these. This is going to be a fussy cut. Definitely. So I'm just going to go through here. Are you guys all excited about fall? It is just starting to turn here in my area. The leaves are gorgeous. My favorite thing is to cuddle up in a sweater and go for a walk and have the cold crisp on your cheeks. Look at that pumpkin. So cute. So cute. All right. So I think one of the first ones I'm going to be pulling for is this one. Well, hello. This one's got little kitty cats on it. So I'm going to go with that. For this, I'll probably grab some black cardstock or some orange or cream, or maybe even this yellow. Okay, just a sec. Let's keep going here. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, look at the bats. Okay, see, this is why I had to play with it. And the little goblins. Oh, my stars. Yeah. Love this. Whoops. Woo, woo, woo. That's probably showing a nice glare. Let me get through it. I might use that. I might use this with this. It's busy, but I think with the orange, I think I'm going to do that, you guys. I think I'm going to go with that for that kit. And I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to get some yellow and I'm going to get some orange for that one. Okay, there's one. Okay, this one, and I might need to, and I'll probably use some scraps as well. Oh, that's pretty. Maybe I'll use this as a background. See, I'm totally jumping around. I thought I was going to do that one, but no. I'm going to work on this one here. That is really pretty. And I don't know if I'm going to go with this one. Oh, you guys. Whoa! Wood green. Yeah. Wood green. Oh, there is. Now, this is interesting. This is like a basket. Yeah, that's really interesting. Oh, love that color. Love that color. Oh, that's sweet. I'm gonna have to kind of go through this whole thing before I decide, I think. Oh, you guys, I love this. Words. Look at that. Okay, so I've totally changed my mind. So I'm going to go with this for this sketch here. And I do believe Well, maybe I will go ahead and keep this one. I need some dark contrast with that. Oh, that's got pumpkins. It's very, very light. So pretty. Oh, you guys, look at that. Mm-hmm. Oh, we'll have to pull one of these. Look at that orange. Fall, and see, I'll do a lot of fussy cutting with these. These are great. These are great. Put these right here with this. Boy, I really like that orange on the other side too. So have you guys gotten any new paper pads this year for fall? There are some gorgeous, gorgeous things out right now. And I was being very selective. And actually, I wasn't even going to get anything new, but, you know, for the birthing day, it's okay. It's like a little treat. Okay, let me keep going here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'd like to almost bring some of that orange in. Maybe I'll go ahead and just pull that one. And that's gorgeous as well. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do for this one. And then we have to pull one more. Back up to this fun little Halloween. And let's see. Okay, I've got to do the ghost. The ghost. These are just adorable. Maybe a plaid. Oh, the bats are cute too. And then I need an orange. Sorry, that probably was not good. Oh, I was hoping that they would have like, oh, maybe I'll do that. Or I wonder if I have something in my stash since it's going to be kind of a small piece. I don't know. I kind of like the plaid as well. Maybe I'll pull some of that in too. So these are my base pages that I'm going to be working with. I'll probably, like I said, do a lot of fussy cutting, but you never know. And these will be my 3 sketches. Some of the other things that I wanted to share with you is that I will be using my mat stack. And if you've watched any of my videos, you'll know that I am trying to kill this guy before the end of the year, which I'm going to do. And I am going to use these stamps that I found in my stash. I have some punches here. And then I didn't think I had any sequins, and I found these great sequins. These ones look close, but they're not. And some dark brown ones. There's stitching on one of the sketches. I'm going to use some distressed oxide and some Nouveau drops. And if you go over to the Facebook group, besides watching everybody else, Kathy, not only did she put a mood board, she also put a bingo card. And those are so fun. I find them that they're really a lot of fun because it kind of stretches you to do and use some product that you're not always thinking about. So I challenge you to go over there as well and print off the bingo card and play along. So this is going to be so fun, you guys. I'm excited to use these. I hope you guys are going to join us, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.